Hey everyone, welcome to part 1 in a really short mini series that I'm doing, and it's going to be reviewing the best 2018 luxury advent calendars for Christmas. I've never actually really been into these until last year when I was very kindly sent one by Charlotte Tilbury PR. Now normally what I do is I give these items away, but I swear to God, the calendar last year, I'm looking at it, I've still got it down there, it's beautiful, but it was full of things. I have used every single item in that. It was one of those calendars where it wasn't like you end up with, I don't know, out of 25 days you end up with 5 items and colours you're never going to use, every single thing, and it was good. So I thought we would start with Net-a-Porter. I tell you what, this thing's blowing huge. I had no idea. When it turned up, I was like, what? This thing's massive. And when I saw it, I thought this looks expensive. Then I saw how much it was and I was like, okay, that's really good value. So I'm going to show you some close-ups here. On the outside, it's pretty plain. On the top, it's got Net-a-Porter written there. For any of you who were like me last year and you're like, why would I want one of these things? Well, it's kind of a few different reasons. First of all, it's a really good way of buying into your favourite luxury brand without having to buy full-sized items of things that you might not like. But also these, I just really feel that with these things, they become something quite nice that sits on your counter or your side table throughout Christmas, and it's just something nice each day. The Net-a-Porter calendar goes all the way up to the 25th. I say that because a lot stop at 12, some stop at 12 that I've seen anyway. On either side, on here it's got 25 days of beauty. Welcome to your Net-a-Porter 25 days of beauty. From party perfect makeup to reviving skincare saviors, discover 25 luxurious gifts that will have you shimmering, glowing and pampered all festive season. Okay, that's good. So there's makeup and skincare in here. And then on the other side, oh, okay, so this is basically for each day and every product. It tells you the ingredients in the product. So in drawer number 1, all of the items that I've seen are decorated like this. So they've just got, the item itself isn't wrapped, it's got some black paper. I'm not even going to pretend to know how to spell this. Omorovicaza. That doesn't even sound like anything. Someone in the comments who's from Budapest is going to be like, you're an idiot, this is how you pronounce it. This is a cleansing foam. I haven't heard of this brand before, but that's what I quite like about Net-a-Porter, is they have brands that you would typically find at Space NK, and Space NK is good for brands that are premium but not mainstream. That's day 1. Day 2, what have we got? We've got hair repair professional care. Let's smell what this is like. Smells pretty good. Day 3. Oh, have they forgotten day 3? Oh no, I found it. I really want to hold this up as I'm doing it, but it's heavy. We've got a lipstick. Oh yes, Marc Jacobs. I really like these mini lipsticks as well, because I use a lot of tiny sized handbags and they fit in nicely. This is in the colour No Angel. Day 4 is, I've tried this before. This is Sunday Riley and it's the Lunar Night Sleeping Oil. This is the one that some of you may recall because it contains blue tansy, which turns your face blue, but it does wash off, so don't worry about that. And that's quite good because the large size of that's really pricey. Day 5. Day 5. This is Lavender and Peppermint Bath and Shower Oil. See all of these things? They're nice sizes, aren't they? And it means that if there's anything that you like, you think, yeah, I'm gonna go and buy the full-size version. If there's anything that you don't like, you're like, okay, I'm done with that. Day 6 is Brightening Elixir. This is, oh, okay, it's a serum. And you apply it morning and evening. So far there's actually been, I want to say, more beauty than there has been makeup, which is good and bad because I think with makeup you can get it so wrong with colours, can't you? Whereas with skincare it's a bit more generic. In day 7 we have got Park Avenue Blowout Balm, which is a hair product. It's cruelty free, it's gluten free, it's vegan and it's got UV protection. Moving on to day 8. This looks like makeup. Oh, Illamasqua Gel Sculpt in the colour Silhouette. What is this? This is quite a dark colour actually. I've got to say I don't know what this is. It could be, is this a contour? Yeah, this is a contouring product. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm actually going to give this away at the end to one lucky winner. But this looks like a contour. Day 9. Oh, we got some eye gel products. Chanticleer is a really nice brand. This is the Energizing Gold Eye Recovery Mask. I have tried this before and it's excellent. The ones, I think this is the same, but you can oh no, this is for single use. I've had some of these before where you can use them twice. What I tend to do with mine is if I'm going out to a party, which is really, like, you know, over Christmas, you come home from work and you're going straight out. If you're tired, I just spend a bit of time before I go out. I put on these on my eyes and I put on teeth whitening, which I did yesterday, so they're looking really shiny. And then I do my makeup after and I'm ready to go. Am I blind? I can't see day 10. There it is. Contains, this is an exfoliating moisturizer. It's 4 ml, so it's quite small, but it says that it's for AM and PM use and that you smooth it over clean, dry skin. And that's by Dr. Dennis Gross. And in day 11, we've got Algenist. Algenist is another excellent brand that I have seen sold in Space NK. This stuff's really expensive. And I've wanted to buy this before, but it's like the full size stuff is like £200 for a pot. This is an acid plus a retinol, and it looks like an advanced retinol serum. It's also vegan. Someone's gonna love that. That brand is excellent. Philip Kingsley is a brand that I've heard of. This is a conditioning. Okay, so this is a pre-shampoo treatment. It adds elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. Day 13, my lucky number. Ooh, we have got a clear brow enhancing gel fix. It is from Gel Food and it feels nice actually. The packaging feels like coal almost. Another really good brand here. I have this next door in my other room. This is Dr. Barbara Sturm, and this is a face cream. It doesn't say specifically what it does. However, as I mentioned, I've got a package of this brand next door and it's really good. It's with all of the skincare here, certainly the ones that I've heard of, they are those skincare brands that are created by doctors. So it's not just the kind of things that you would walk into Boots and get. It's kind of more scientific products than that. And I quite like them because they can, not always, but they can give quite good results. Day 15, I really feel like I'm wanting some beauty. Day 15. Oh, that smells so good. Look at this mini soap. Natural scented. This is Jasmine of Arabia. Oh, that smells good. I wish you could smell that right now. It's like jasmine and orange blossom together. It's very Middle Eastern. It's heavy, but it's nice. That would be really nice if you're traveling or if you have got like a cloakroom or a guest bathroom. I actually think that's been my favorite thing so far. Day 16, Sarah Chapman, a morning facial. Youth boosting day elixir. So you put a few drops of this underneath your day cream, avoid the eye area and rinse with warm water. Oh, okay. We've got ourselves a shampoo, and this is nourishing shampoo for long, dry, thick or frizzy hair. Again, that's pretty good because there's a few. I feel like I've seen 2. Well, there's a hair treatment, isn't there? And there's a conditioner in here. Day 18, Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Day 19 is a vitamin C intensive face cream. I'm gonna write down the name of this because I could do with a vitamin C face cream. Vitamin C is excellent if you have enlarged pores. And I think I've heard it's good if you have combination oily skin, which I do. I'm actually gonna take a picture of this right now just so that I know. And I'm gonna do that soap as well. Day 20, we have got Legology Airlight Daily Lift for Legs Contouring Leg Cream. Delivers light and energy to your legs. Its cool aerated texture is enhanced by its uplifting lemon scent, created especially for Legology by perfume house Robertet. Where's 21? 21. This is some more beauty, and this is a night cream. This is by, this is a Hydrate and Nourish Night Cream by Erno Lasulo. Lightweight, non-greasy, and it nourishes with a moisture balance. It restores your skin's natural pH balance. You know, what is actually quite good is, although there hasn't been a huge amount of beauty in this, I don't necessarily feel like that's a bad thing, because so often, like a couple of years ago, I got a Sephora advent calendar. Whilst it was excellent, I really felt that so many of the products I wasn't going to wear because the colours weren't right for me. There was lots of like bright red lipsticks and like black smoky eyeshadow and just things that I wouldn't wear, and it made it a bit of a shame. And then I didn't know what to do with the stuff after, because of course it's all miniatures and you can't, like, what do you do with it? I actually think in many ways it's good that there aren't a huge amount in here, because at least you know for the most part you're probably going to use everything in this calendar. Day 22. Oh, we got 2 things in here. Oh, this brand is excellent. This is Orbi, is how it's pronounced. I've actually got the shampoo, and the shampoo is sulfate free, so when you use it, it doesn't foam up. It feels really weird because you're expecting to get like a soap thing going and it doesn't, but it's excellent. There is a run through detangling primer, and they've also put a straight away smoothing blowout cream. Day 23. Oh yeah, we have got a beauty item, Extreme Lash Mascara. This is by Hourglass. Hourglass are an excellent brand. I mean, the thing is, everyone wants a mascara, don't they? Everyone does. Day 24. I'm hoping that day 24 and day 25 are excellent. Oh, someone's gonna die for this. This is the best pick-me-up ever. This is Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. I first tried this last year when I got their calendar. I would never have necessarily bought it for myself. I don't know why. I mean, with Charlotte Tilbury, I love all of their things and I would buy everything. But with this, I wouldn't have bought it in case I didn't like it. And so getting it in a calendar was particularly excellent, and I went on to buy the full size. This is another product that I will use if I have been partying a lot, if I haven't been sleeping, if I've been working really late. And you know when you get that thing where your skin looks crepey and aged and dry and dehydrated because you're not sleeping and your diet's rubbish because it's December and you're like eating mince pies and rubbish all the time. What I do before I go out, or first thing in the morning if I have time, I put some of this on. I only leave it for about 5-10 minutes and then I remove it, and it really somehow adds something to your skin. And now for day 25. Oh, we got 2 things. Day 25 is a shower gel and body cream. I know this brand. Oh god, that smells so... That's almost like, you know those shower gels that smell peppery and almost like they could be for men, and they really like wake you up in the morning? That's what that smells like. So just as a summary, do I think this is worth getting? I'm actually pleasantly surprised, because when I first saw this, I imagined that it was going to be upwards of £200. It's actually £150. If you are particularly, or if you're buying for someone who is particularly into, I want to say, scientific skincare, things that you don't find at Boots, but things that are created by doctors that specifically target certain areas, then I think this is a really good thing for them. They're going to have so much fun and so many options of things to play with. If you are buying for someone who's more into beauty and cosmetics, it definitely feels more weighted towards skincare. However, as I mentioned earlier, is that always a bad thing? Because the beauty they've put in here, the mascara, the nude lipstick, the eyebrow gel, they are all quite generic things. Like, everyone can use those things. So all you need to do to enter is go over to my Instagram, follow me, and then leave a comment to say that you'd like to enter along with the country that you're in. And I say that because I need to check this, but I think there's things in here I might not be able to post. And so if there are, if I pick a winner and you're in the States or, you know, in Europe or something, I might have to look for the items, double check with the post office and swap out. I also want to thank Net-a-Porter, because they have been kind enough to send me this. They sent it to me to keep, but you know, I need for nothing, and although I love the products in it, I would rather share them with one of you who, you guys always watch me and I really appreciate it. So good luck to whoever wins, and I will see you in the next video.